Ever found yourself overwhelmed by a mountain of receipts and untracked expenses in your courier business? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of courier transportation, managing expenses can feel like chasing a runaway train. Losing track of receipts can mean lost money, and poor expense management can derail your business success. It's crucial to keep a firm grip on this financial beast. But worry not, a solution is at hand. And it's simpler than you might think. No more daunting stacks of paper, it's time to get organized. First, let's start with categorizing your receipts based on types of expenses. Fuel, maintenance, tolls, meals, each category needs its own home. Consider using accordion files or envelopes for physical storage. Label each section clearly, making sure everything has its place. Next, it's time to go digital. You can digitize your receipts using mobile apps or scanners. It's a simple process. Snap a picture or scan, then upload it to your digital storage. This way you have easy retrieval and a backup in case of physical loss. And don't forget, regular audits are key to ensure all receipts are accounted for. Set a routine, be it weekly or monthly, to go through your receipts and cross-check with your expense records. Maintaining this system takes a bit of discipline, but trust me, it's worth it. With your receipts now in order, it's time to tackle another crucial aspect: tracking your expenses. The key to financial control in your courier business: tracking every penny. Now, let's talk about how to make tracking expenses a breeze. You could start with a systematic approach, keeping a good old-fashioned spreadsheet, every receipt, every expense logged and updated regularly. It's a bit of work, but it gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. But let's be honest, we're all about efficiency here, right? So why not consider automating this process? There's a world of expense tracking software and apps out there designed to do the heavy lifting for you. They'll track, categorize, and analyze your expenses, giving you valuable insights into your spending habits. Think QuickBooks for comprehensive financial management, or Expensify, great for catching those pesky hidden expenses. And then there's Zoho Expense, a real gem for automating expense reports. So with these tools and strategies, financial management in your courier business just got a whole lot easier. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Managing expenses in the courier business need not be a headache. Start with organizing receipts. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Keep track of expenses diligently. It's not just paperwork, it's your business's pulse. And don't forget to leverage digital tools. They provide efficiency, accuracy, and peace of mind. Remember, a well-managed financial system is the cornerstone of a successful courier business. Now go conquer those expenses.